Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we're going to see how to install VirtualBox on Debian version 11.4. VM VirtualBox is a cross-platform virtualization software that enables users to simultaneously run Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, and Oracle Solaris on their existing computers. Check the OS version using following command. Update the system package by using following command. Next, check and enable virtualization feature by using following command. Add the VirtualBox repository by using following command. Also add the GBG key by using following command. Next, update the system package by using following command. Once the repository is added, to download the packages of VirtualBox, then search the latest version by using following command. Finally, install the VirtualBox by using following command. Now go to the application launcher, search for VirtualBox, then run it and start creating virtual machines. This is the Oracle VirtualBox dashboard. Now the Oracle VirtualBox installation has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.